Alright, so we're going to be addressing number 1. It says, using the instruments provided, determine the following quantities. Liquid volume, liquid mass. Alright, when you think of liquid volume, I want you to think of how much is in a container. When you think of liquid mass, I want you to think about how much that container weighs. Mass is weight, volume is how much space it takes up. Okay, you might have a beaker whenever you are in your station. I'm not sure, but for today's station in Miss Lee's class, you are going to have a beaker. Beakers are primarily used for holding and mixing liquids. Okay, so if I try to pour this jar of liquid, it has a number 1 on the top. I already took it off. It's my unknown substance. Part of the scientific method is we do not touch our unknown substances. Okay, it could be dangerous. But anyway, if I'm trying to pour this jar into this cylinder, graduated cylinder, which is more used for measuring liquids, okay, because it's more accurate than a beaker. So don't use your beaker to measure your liquids, just for holding them. It would be really hard, and you've already seen, I've actually done a video before this and I've poured it all over the place. So don't do that. You pour your liquid into your beaker, and I'm actually going to pour it into a smaller one because I don't need that large beaker. Okay, because that's nice and easy and I'm not spilling anything, contaminating my table, my paper, or myself. Okay, make sure you get as much as you can out. I'm going to kind of tap it on the side. Alright, and now you have a nice lip, meaning you can pour your liquid easily. Now, notice my scale right now is not set. Okay, you're going to want to reset it by hitting the on button. Now it says 0. I have mine set to grams. If your paper asks for ounces, then you're going to want to hit the unit button and change it to ounces. Okay, I'm going to change it back. Oh, I can do milliliters actually. That's kind of cool. So we can do milliliters and grams. That's awesome. Alright, we're going to put our scale on, our cylinder on, graduated cylinder. Right there for you guys. So you can, let me move this over. You're going to want to always set your stuff in the middle of your scale, not on the side. Okay, and don't have your hands on the table whenever you are measuring something. It's 41 grams. Your cylinder, graduated cylinder, is 41 grams. Okay, I'm going to hit the on button, but just know that if you don't have an on button, or you can't reset your scale, you need to take note of this so you can subtract it out later. Okay, and now I'm going to pour my liquid in nice and carefully. Alright, and when you guys, oh sorry, I know you can't see anything because camera. When you guys look at your graduated cylinder and you get eye level, you might notice a small, slight dip. Okay, a small, slight dip, and that's okay. You're going to want to measure at the smallest point. Okay, so mine goes a little bit above 85, but it doesn't go to 86. So I'm going to keep it at 85 milliliters. That's the liquid volume. That's how much space it's taking up in the graduated cylinder. Okay, and the grams is 84 grams. Now, if I take this off and I reset it, and I put it back on, am I going to get 84 grams? No, I'm going to get 124 grams. So, let's do the math. It's 124 grams minus 41 grams equal 84. 4 minus 1 is 3. 12, okay, equals 83 grams. So we're close enough. There might be maybe something in our scale is wrong. We can try it one more time. but let's see. 41 grams. Oh no, I contaminated the paper, y'all. 84 grams. Alright, we still got the same thing. Let's try this one more time. I'm just curious. 124. Alright, we're good. Everything works out. That might not be exactly accurate, but it should be in theory. Okay, now you've measured the liquid volume and the liquid mass. Alright, and we'll play another video to show you number 2 about calculating your results.